Hello, my partners. This is Russell from beautiful Vancouver from your GMP team. Uh, Today's training is about Job Finder application in action. And this training I have created based on our live action class on September 20th, 2020, where we used where we used our job finder application in our live action class. So welcome to job finder application in action. This training uh, is created based on that session that we ran on September 20th in our LAC session. But I have added more information and I laid out the PDF and all the other information in a proper way that would make more sense to you, and you will have more knowledge, more information about the job finding application and many other things that you need to know in order for you to use the application, in order for you to send business proposal to offers that you will extract from the job finder application, and also the incentives that we offer to our customers to obtain their orders. You also need to know about those incentives and some policies on those incentives. Now, people who just joined and missed our LAC classes, or people who are really brand new, do not have any idea about the job finder application, for them let me explain what is job finder application. Now, job finder application is a desktop app that all our GMP members get it for free. Now, this job finder application is an awesome tool. Any agency or anyone doing local digital marketing will love it and will pay premium prices to get their hands on this application, and we do sell this application at premium prices. Okay, so job finder application, it is a desktop app, and when you run this application it will look like this, and the bottom portion here it will be blank, and there are 5 networks: Freelancer, Craigslist, Project for Hire, People Per Hour, and Guru.com. Now, these 5 networks are really huge. They are very famous freelancer websites. And what happened over here, people around the world, they will post job offers. So someone will post a job offer that he needs a website and he has a budget for $1,200. Someone will post a job offer for a video creation and she might have a budget for $800. So people can offer jobs for SEO services, social media services, and any kind of digital services, including app development, software development. So what you want to do, you want to write over here on the top portion, you want to write down the categories like video creation or web design or SEO, and then you hit search, and within a minute or less than a minute it will extract all the job offers related to your category that you have chosen, will display at the bottom. Okay, and once you pick any job, you double click on that link and it will take you to that freelancer website, or Craigslist. If it is Craigslist, it will take you to Craigslist job offer. If it is on Freelancer or any other site, it will take you directly there, where you can read all about that job offer, and then you can send out our ready-made message template with incentives that are hard to resist. Okay, so we're gonna talk about more, or we will be talking more about that. And when you go to our GNX Media Partner membership portal, there is a link for job finder application, and when you click on that link, there are all the training, and you'll be learning how to use the job finder application, and you'll have a download link to download this application on your computer. Now, before we roll in, you need to know the must-have features of a website. Now when you start out, if you are very very fresh, if you are not a freelancer, if you are really fresh, really newbie, no prior experience, so you should be going after excuse me, you should be going after basic websites. Do not go after complicated website, because we do complicated website, but you have to start with basic, then you go to more complicated stuff, and we will be teaching you about how to go after complicated website. And also, when we are gonna be running LAC session and we're gonna be using job finder application in the future, if we sometimes come across any complicated project, and if we take that, you'll understand the complicated requirements. Now when I say basic website, it really does not mean it literally does not mean basic means still there, it will have all the must-have modern features. But when I say basic, I mean that these websites do not require any special plugin or special features, okay, and no advanced features. But if they do need advanced features, we literally can create any type of website with any type of plugin or any type of feature, any type of advanced features, okay, so we can do that. So a basic website, okay, a general website will have some must-have features. So let us talk about that. So every website has to be SEO optimized. Now by now you might know about SEO services, search engine optimization. That means when we try to rank a website on the top positions of search engines, the process we use called SEO, search engine optimization. Now when I say SEO optimized websites and SEO, these are two different things, okay, you have to understand that. So SEO, when we say SEO, meaning it is the task, the work involved, the complicated process that are involved in order for us to rank any website on top position of search engines. So that is the activities, and SEO is a different niche, different category, and we do charge monthly fees when we do SEO services for any business, and you should be knowing this by now. Now, what is SEO optimized websites? Now Google and other search engines, they have some basic requirements, meaning basic or must have requirements in order for those search engines to recognize you as a modern website, and they will give you advantage when it comes to ranking your website. Although if your website is very modern, a very nice design, still Google will favor you. It will recognize that your website is a modern and very stunning website, right? It will recognize you, but it's not gonna it most probably you are not gonna rank on the search engines at top positions. You will not. But if your website is not SEO optimized, then you really lose Google's favor, and that is not good for you. So your website has to be SEO optimized, or your client's website has to be SEO optimized. And for creating SEO optimized websites, for a basic website minimum cost is $1,200. You can charge them more, you can charge them half. It really depends on you, but bear in mind when you do outsource website to us, you have to know how much we are charging you, right? We may charge you anywhere from $100 to $200, $300, $500, or even more, depending on the nature of the website. If it requires any special task or special features, then more complicated it gets, the price goes up. So you have to bear that in mind. But in this training, in this training we'll be talking about basic requirements. So the message template and the price range that I'll be showing you, you should be fine with those price ranges. Okay, so now you understand SEO optimized and SEO. Now SEO optimized websites have some characters. What is that? Excuse me. SEO optimized websites are mobile responsive or mobile optimized. Now what does it mean by mobile responsive or mobile optimized website? That means your website should be when any customer or any client or any visitor visit a website on their mobile devices, could be tablet, could be their phone, and when they visit those websites on their mobile devices, the website has to fit within the size of that mobile device's screen, and it should display every element of that website on the mobile devices very nicely. Okay, so however, whenever you see any website on a desktop, you can see every single element. And mobile optimized means, or mobile responsiveness means, that the website, when you view on mobile devices, it will transform its size and it will reorganize all the elements on that website, so customer can view everything without any trouble. So that is mobile optimized or mobile responsive website. Very important for being SEO optimized. Now the website also has to have a very modern design, not outdated. Then it is not SEO optimized. Okay, now it will also have a home page. Home page means the main page, the front page. Whenever you visit any website, you visit their front page first, so that has all the information. And then also it will have additional pages. Standard is 5 pages. So additional pages means when you go to any website, there will be a link like portfolio link, there will be contact us link, so many other links. So basically it will have about 5 pages. That is the standard. Okay, and also Google Map integration. Okay, I forgot to mention that Google Map integration. So please do take a note that your website, a mobile I do apologize. I mean, the SEO optimized website has to have a Google Map integration. Okay, and it will have a header and it will have a footer. So whenever I will upload this PDF on our membership site, you'll have a different PDF that will have all those elements. Okay, so it will have a header, it will have a footer, and it will have Google Map integration at the bottom. Okay, all right, so those are the master features. Also, a SEO optimized website not only has content like text, it will have also images, good images. Now customer should provide you with image. Now if the customer asks you to provide them with images, then you can charge them extra, but if it's a trouble for you, then our team will do it for you. They will be getting the proper images they need from our vault. So either customer gives you their images or we upload for them. Okay, content, customer will give you content, and if they want us to write the content for them, then we will be charging them. We will charge them fees for writing the content. Now video is not mandatory, but when you add a video on your website and it is linked to YouTube, that means Google recognize that you have a video or multiple videos, and that has linked to YouTube. So Google recognize right away, and it will give you priority, or give you unfair advantage, or it will favor you over other websites who do not have videos. Okay, and customer will give you video. If not, we can give them video, but you can charge them. But hey, if it is a big order and you want to give them away a free video, which I will be talking about later during this presentation, you can offer them free videos, and that you can include within the price of that order. Okay, now if your customer, they do have any special requirement that I did not cover in this tutorial, then contact me on Messenger and let me know what is going on, and I'll be helping you out. And if in case I am not available for talk, then you can certainly connect with Liban and his team. Liban is freelancer for several years, and his team has 5 other members, and they are also experienced freelancers, so they can help you. Not to mention, we have Adam Jacob to help you out, as he helped you before. These people are knowledgeable about all type of web designs, and obviously you can also seek help, assistance from Rashid. Okay, so if you talk to Rashid, he's gonna get back to me, or maybe Adam or Liban or his team, and we're gonna find a solution for you. We'll deal with that special requirement that your customer has. Okay, now this section now is all about understanding incentives. Whenever someone offers a job on freelancer website, we're different, because all the freelancer will send them a proposal and mention about their experiences, and what kind of website they'll create, and link to their portfolio. But what we do, we will be sending the proposal in a very professional way. The message will be more professionally crafted than any other freelancer. That's for sure. And we should be able to grab customers' attention. And also, we are throwing some incentives, and that will be very hard to resist for our clients. So what are the incentives? And let me explain all the incentives that you can offer to your customers, and the policies regarding using these incentives. Now, you can give away to your customers $100 or $200 restaurant voucher. So this is a digital money which they can use at 10,000 restaurants, 55,000. Give me a moment here. So this is where all the policies are. So this is $100 card, or you can give them $200 card. And if you have to give them more than $200, let me know. If your order is really big, yes, I can even give them $300, $400 voucher. But we have to justify if we should be giving them. Okay, we should be trying to give them $100 or not more than $200. But we can make an exception if the order is really big order. Now, this offer, the restaurant voucher, they are valid for 250,000 offers, and these offers are valid in 55,000 national chains and local restaurants in Canada and US. So your customer, they have to live in US or Canada, or they can use it when they come here to visit. And this voucher is valid in 55,000 national chains and local stores, local restaurants in US and Canada. And this restaurant voucher covers all type of brands in American Canada: Domino's Pizza, McDonald's, IHOP, Subway, many restaurants, Taco Bell, any type of restaurant, you name it. Your customer should be able to uh, find any type of restaurant. Now there is also another policy. Now when we say 100, 200, 3 or $400 restaurant voucher, it is not like they're going to a restaurant showing the $100 and restaurant is giving them $100 food free. No, this is how it works. Okay. Now customer will be able to redeem these cards for 2-for-1 deal or up to 50% off. So 2-for-1 deal, if in case you live in a country where they do not offer 2-for-1 deal, this is very famous in North America. So what is 2-for-1 deal is means once you buy one meal, then you get the second meal for free. So if you buy a $10 meal, you're gonna get another $10 meal for free. And also you will get up to 50% off discount. So your promotion will differ from restaurants to restaurants. And when you give this card to your customers, they will receive this card via email, and there will be a link to activate, and there will be a link for all the frequently asked questions, all the instructional videos on how to redeem and how they can save their money for up to 50% off. So whenever they go to buy food to any restaurant, they may offer them 10%, 20, up to 50% discount, or buy one meal get one meal for free. So when we give out someone $100 card, it really, they will end up, in most cases they will end up saving $200, $300, $400 if they spend that wisely. And all the information will be there in the video presentation. So this is all you need to know about the dining incentive and how it works. So if in case your customer, you have to give all the information out to your customer, you can tell them what it is all about. And also in the future, what I'll be doing, I'll be adding all these policies in our job finder application or any other sections in our GMP membership area, so you can just copy and paste and educate your customers. Okay. Now $100, $200 hotel savings card, these are valid worldwide, so they can use it anywhere. Okay, $100 and $200 hotel savings card. Now we talk about our vacation vouchers. Now vacation vouchers, people can take vacation to Mexico, Greece, Australia, US, Canada, New Zealand, Fiji, so many destinations around the globe. Now these vouchers, let me tell you the rules of these vouchers. The hotel savings cards can be offered to anyone, anywhere. There are over 1 million hotels available to use the savings at around the world, and the end user can pay in dozens of different currencies. Okay, so that is the policy for the hotel savings card. Now the restaurant incentives are only redeemable in the US and Canada. Okay, so either they have to live in US or Canada, or they come to visit here, yes, they can use it. And now the complimentary vacation, our complimentary vacation stay incentives can be used by anyone from any country as long as the destination they are redeeming is at least 100 miles or 160 kilometers away from the end user's residence. So what does it mean? You can give away these vacation vouchers free to your customers. These are 5 nights or 6 nights vacation voucher for a 5-star hotel or 5-star resort. So we're paying for the hotel or 5-star stay, their hotel stay or their stay at a resort. They're all 5-star. So we're paying for their rooms, about $1,500 value minimum. But the condition is that they can use these vouchers from in so many destinations in the world, right? Over 50 destinations. These are popular destinations worldwide. They can use it anywhere as long as they travel at least 100 miles or 160 kilometers away from their home. So if you live in Sydney, Australia, then you are able to take that vacation voucher, use that vacation voucher, as long as you are 100 miles or 160 kilometers away from your home. Okay, you cannot use that voucher within 100 miles or 100 kilometer radius. You have to go beyond that. Okay. Now these vacations are really awesome. We have customers. We have many testimonials that how people love their vacations, and it's really $1,500 US savings. Okay, they are getting voucher, but they're literally saving money, because if they go on a vacation, and if they rent a room, this is how much money they can expect to spend. And later on, I will be sharing you guys in the membership area all type of videos and all type of URLs that will take you to the landing page of the landing page where we have all the testimonials videos from people who already have used these vacations, and they are very happy. And also there will be so many videos and content educating them about those destinations. So we're gonna be dropping that landing page link, and also other videos about these promotions like hotel savings cards, restaurant incentive, or vacation voucher. So these are the incentives you can use. Okay, now try not to use all of them, but if we have to, do it. But excuse me, try not to use all of them. Okay. Now you can also offer your customers a digital or virtual business card, and I will be dropping the link, or you can share the link anyway. The link is in the digital business card section in our GMP membership area. But what you want to do, you want to share the link to the digital or virtual business card, not the landing page. Because that landing page has a price tab on it, we do not want them to know the price. What are you gonna do? We'll be creating another landing page. That landing page will show that it is on a monthly subscription of at least $29.99 per month. So when you share that landing page link, they will know that they're saving $29.99 per month, right? And we used to sell it for $29.99 per month, and that is the regular price. And now we paused that for a while, but we could reactivate that. But anyway, we'll be trying different type of landing pages for one-time price or monthly price. So we will be until we give you the landing page with a monthly subscription on, just share with them any digital business card demo link, okay, to your customers. Click and connect feature, guys. I explained you this feature in my presentation many times. You should be knowing by now, but I will refresh your memory. I know you forgot, and also I will repeat it again for the new people. What is click and connect? Click and connect means it will have a button on your website. It will look like this. This is the box, and customer can click on the red button and they can talk. They can send you any message. So they will click on the record button and they will talk whatever the message they'll leave. That message, obviously when they click on the send button or finish button or submit button, it will ask for their name and email address and phone number, and that will be inboxed in your email right away, and you will have an email, and when you open up the email you will have customers information, and there will be a link to play their audio message. You can listen to the message, and then you can follow up with them at your convenience. So basically visitors leave voice message on your website by tapping on the record button. Okay, so when you explain your people to your customers about click and connect, then they will love it. This is a really good feature because you don't need a business phone. Whenever you have this click and connect feature on your website, people are leaving a message, it is going to your voicemail. So business does not have to maintain a business phone. That is monthly saving for them, and also for you, because for all of our landing pages or websites, we will be giving you click to connect feature as well. Okay, so you can give this away for free. You can also give them custom explainer video for their business. Video converts and videos are expensive. So this type of video we can give them. These are explainer video by professional animated avatars or animated characters. They can have male and female. So these are the explainer video we can offer them for free. And also we can offer them this type of animated 2D animated explainer video as well. So these are the incentives you are allowed to offer to your customers. And so let us talk about the job we extracted and the nature of those jobs, and how did we propose to them. Okay, this is the job number 1 that we extracted during our session in LAC. I guess this was extracted by LV. So he extracted many jobs within a minute, and we picked this one because this job was really very simple. And when you start out, unless you are a freelancer, you should be targeting this type of jobs. Not complicated. So let us read the job offer. I need a web presence to introduce my artwork. Cool, slim design, homepage with links to sub pages for showing samples of different techniques and designs. 2 info gauges, an easy to use system that allows me to add remove images from time to time, allows editing. Okay, so really basic needs. And whenever you read a job proposal, a job offer like this, you want to extract the key points, key terms, the key features that the customer wants. Okay, so here right away you're gonna be writing down the key terms or key features. So here the key features he wants is artwork and cool design. So he wants to display his artwork. So he's an artist. Okay, he or she is an artist, and he wants a cool design, stunning design. Not a problem with that, we already do a stunning design. And sub pages meaning additional pages, right? So additional pages that will display his different techniques and designs. And he needs 2 info gauges. That means he wants to create information section, which we can do, not a problem. Easy to use editing and add remove images. So based on these are the key features he wants. And whenever you craft your custom message to send to that customer, or send a business proposal, your proposal should be related to these key terms. You have to mention that yes, you can do these things for him, and also offer them more value. So this was our initial proposal that we sent out. Okay, so we write, hello friend, I came across your project and very excited to contact you because we are specialized in designing and developing any type of stunning websites, including arts and entertainment. We are a Vancouver-based digital media agency specialized in creating amazing websites, guaranteed top-ranking SEO services to fit literally any budget, custom videos, graphic designs, custom software and app development, and much more. I have dropped some links below so you can check only a few web designs from our thousands of collections. Having said that, we can design any type of websites from scratch based on your special needs. Since you need to be able to alter or edit your website frequently, we will add our advanced drag and drop editor absolutely for free, which will enable you to alter or edit your website on the fly. This way you can avoid hiring someone to manage and maintain your website and save a ton of money. We will not only provide you easy to follow video tutorials, but also chat support if you run into any issue. You will love our drag and drop builder, as it is so easy and simple that even a 10-year-old or a caveman can do it with ease. I would like to draw your attention to some of the must-have unique features that are very rare to find and expensive, that we can package in for free based on the nature of your order. Here is a list of these must-have features that will make your website very unique, advanced, and you stand out from the crowd. Most importantly, you are getting all these additional advanced features for free when you place your order to us. Number 1, free explainer video with your branding and logo in 5 different languages of your choice, free custom logo for your website, a free vacation voucher for a 5-night stay in luxury 5-star resort in popular destinations around the globe, a free $200 voucher for hotel and or car rental valid worldwide, a click and connect feature that will enable your visitors to leave you a voice message by clicking a button on your website, and that message will be delivered to your email address automatically. It allows you to respond back to your customer or visitors at your convenience. Please do share more information regarding your website requirements so we can discuss it further to create a custom package for you, so you can have a 100% working website out of the box with all the advanced features that will enable you to dominate your market. We are excited to hear from you. Cheers. Now you have to understand, how did I lay out this message? Okay, I want you to read this message template again and again and again, and try to understand with your heart that the key terms I used. Now let me break it down for you. Okay, I mentioned here we're very excited. We are specialized in designing and developing any type of stunning website, including art and entertainment. So I'm giving them a message. We can create any type of website, but I'm also pointing to arts and entertainment, so they know, yes, I can do any type of website, and I'm not ignoring art and entertainment. So you have to point out that. Then I mentioned we are a Vancouver-based digital agency with many happy clients and years of experience, this and that. Now Vancouver-based, that is the keyword. Most of the freelancers are from overseas, and nowadays, I'm not blaming all the freelancers. There are freelancers who are really scammer, right? And especially on Fiverr. And right now people lost their faith on overseas freelancers. So when you mention Vancouver based, that is the keyword, and you should be able to grab their attention. Now they know they are dealing with a Canadian company. And also when we open up our US office, then you can also mention any US city. So US and Canadian office will give you more credibility. Okay. And also I mentioned that we do other services as well, like guaranteed top ranking SEO services. I mentioned guaranteed top ranking, meaning they know we're giving them top ranking, and that is guaranteed. Okay, and I'm also telling them we do video graphic design, so I'm just telling them, hey, you are in good hand, who can do everything for you. We are a one-stop digital house. Okay. And also I mentioned that I dropped a few links to our some of the web designs from our thousands of collections. So I I mentioned we have thousands of website templates in our collection, that means it will give us more authority, and they will trust us, because that many website templates, only a big company can maintain those, and we do have thousands of templates. Then I mentioned about his website editing. So he wants to edit his website, because he or she has an art website, and she's artist, so she has to be able to frequently edit the content, and also add, remove images, and also they have to display their new artwork or designs or techniques as they do more works, right? So that is why I mentioned that I'll be giving them a drag and drop editor, and they can edit their website, add, remove images, elements, edit content on the fly. Okay. And also I mentioned that there are some must-have requirements, must-have features, and if we have these features, you will stand out from the crowd. But these are expensive. But hey, we're packaging in for you for free, of course, when you place your order to us. And I mentioned explainer video, custom logo, a vacation voucher, restaurant voucher. We're giving away everything. We're not supposed to give them everything, but since this is we are just starting out, so I'm trying to help you out, giving them all of them. But if we have to give them all of them, give them all of them, no problem, if this order is really big order. Okay. So when the customer reads our proposal, now he knows that we'll give him everything that he wants. We're experienced. We not only do website, we do everything. So now he has an impression that if he needs to expand his website, add more features, or do something beyond the website, they can come to us. Okay. And then he is gonna be scrolling down, and he will be amazed by the by the gift vouchers, by the free incentives. So we should be able to grab orders. But what happened is, you have to be consistent. That is the bottom line. You have to be consistent. Once you start proposing people, I do not know when you will close, but when you are consistent, you will close. The order will come to you. Okay, the order will come to you. Now, when we tried the very next day, when we tried to send this message, I recreated that message and made some changes, and then me and Liban were working on it and tried to send it to customer, because the very first message that we crafted, it was long message, because this job offer had a special requirement, which is you cannot go beyond 15 characters. So every letter and every element, like every letter, comma, period, dash, any element you use, those are treated as characters. So we cannot have more than 1500 characters, and 1500 characters is really a small proposal. Okay. So what did you do? So I did my best, and I compressed the message to turn into a 1500 characters message. So this is the revised proposal. So I said, hello there. We would like to assure you our team is capable of designing a modern, SEO optimized and mobile responsive website with all the unique features you need to reflect your business in a very professional way. We are experienced digital agency based in Vancouver with many happy clients, specialized in designing stunning sites with drag and drop easy editor to edit any component, including add, remove elements, content without hiring a VA, meaning virtual assistant. Your order comes with free custom video in 5 languages, 5 nights vacation voucher in 5-star resort, and $200 car rental voucher worldwide. Please elaborate more. So we can share links to our gorgeous designs and craft a website for you that stand out from the crowd. Cheers. So what I really tried to do, I really compressed the message, and to compress this message, to make to condense this message, it took me a long time, but we did it. So next time, whenever you pick an order, if it allows only certain number of characters, so you have to compress, and if you cannot compress, let me know, we'll do it for you. So the more order, the more proposal you will send, more job you will extract, I will post more and more templates. So as we keep doing it, you're gonna have all type of templates. You just copy, paste, and send. But there is a sad girl here over here. She's very sad. This is really this is really a reflection of me and Liban, because what happened when we tried to send the revised proposal, we found out that the customer already accepted an offer, so we could not send it. But hey, do not worry, because we practiced. Now we have a message template that you can copy and paste. Also, in this message, I mentioned about SEO and mobile optimized. On my previous message, I forgot to mention that, so obviously you're gonna add these phrases, mobile and SEO optimized. Okay, so what did you do? Me and Liban, we extracted even more jobs. Then we came across another simple order. He wants to pay about $250 to $750 Australian. So that means about, I guess, not more than 600 US, or it could be even 500 US. He is saying, I need a new website to design and build it. I should be able to upload photos, edit content, also need to rewrite the content in more professional way. The website must include SEO. So basically the key terms are upload photos, edit content, rewrite the content more professional way, must include SEO. Now I put a question mark on must include SEO. What does it mean by that? I think she does not know. She really meant SEO optimized, because when we say SEO, then this is a service and we have to charge them. And now if the client tries to trick us saying it must include SEO, and she did that intentionally, and you say yes to that, now you have to give her free SEO month after month. Okay, and that is an expense for you. So whenever you see something like this, you have to be very careful. You have to very carefully craft your message. So he wants to upload photos, edit content. Not only edit content, he wants to rewrite his content more professional way. So that means he has to be able to upload content, upload image, and then he is gonna alter his content. So that means our drag and drop builder is really very simple, like you are typing on Microsoft Word. Okay, editing anything you want, however you want. So we have that editor. We do not worry about that. We worry about the must have SEO component, but I will tell you how to deal with that. Okay, so this is the proposal I sent. Okay, so I said, hello there. I am very excited to assure you that our team is fully capable of designing a modern, SEO optimized and mobile responsive website with all the unique features you need to promote your business in a very professional way. Okay, see here I mentioned that our team is fully capable. That means I want to give them an idea that I'm not a one-man show. I have a team behind me. It's an agency. That gives them more it will give them more information to them, like you own an agency, so you will establish yourself as an authority, and it will be giving them the impression that they can put their faith on us. Okay, so team is the keyword here. We are experienced digital agency with many happy clients based in Vancouver, specialized in stunning web design and development, guaranteed SEO services, custom video, graphic design, software, app development, and much more. Now, I mentioned web design and development. I mentioned that word development because designs meaning you just you use an existing template that you have purchased or you own, and you are using the template. When you say development, that means if we have to build a website that has a special script that we have to custom create, yes, we can create that. We can develop a brand new website from the scratch, including the brand new script or coding. Okay. Then I mentioned I have dropped some links below so you can check only a few of our gorgeous designs from our thousands of collections. However, we can design any type of website from scratch if you have any special requirement. Now you have to mention that. Let them know that we can create anything for you. Okay. Then I mentioned we will integrate our advanced drag and drop easy editor absolutely for free that enables you to alter or edit your site on the fly, including add, remove content or elements. This way you can avoid hiring someone to manage your website and save a ton of money. Our drag and drop feature is so easy and simple, even a caveman can use it with ease. All right, now I really wanted to use the phrase that I really wanted to say that even a 10-year-old can do that. But my friend Bruce Peterson from Texas, he asked me to use caveman, and so I used it caveman. And hey Bruce, I want you to I want you to know that now I love it. It sounds great. Then my 10-year-old. So our drag and drop feature is so easy and simple, even a caveman can use it with ease. All right, Bruce, thank you for giving me this idea. Okay. Then I mentioned as a free bonus, we will include a virtual or digital business card that will enable you to add any URL to your website, including your Skype, email, messenger, phone, text, calendar links, and many more. You can easily create and edit your card in less than a minute. You also can share your digital card to your clients via text, messenger, email, Skype, and more. Now here you see I not only said virtual, also mentioned digital. So I mentioned virtual / digital business card. Why I did that? You please do not be surprised to know that I landed clients here in US and Canada. Many of them do not know what is virtual. Trust me, few of the customers or viewers will be like this. They will not know what is virtual. They will understand digital. So you're gonna use the virtual card, virtual and digital, virtual / digital, both words. Okay. All right. Then I mentioned you will also receive easy to follow video tutorials and chat support if you run into any issue. I would like to draw your attention to some of the must-have expensive and rare features that we can package in for free based on the nature of your order. Now I mentioned based on the nature of your order. That is a clause. That means if his order is really small, we cannot give him everything. If his order is at a reasonable budget, yes, then we can. So I use that clause. Okay, you have to be really careful what you say, because when you deal with your customers in USA, Canada, or other top tier countries, the rules, regulations, policies are very restricted. So watch what you say. Okay, if you cannot do anything, do not say that. You would be in trouble. Okay, and it would put me in trouble as well. Okay, so you mentioned that as a free bonus we include a virtual digital business card that will enable you to add blah blah blah, all those things. Then you will also receive easy to follow video tutorial. Okay, oh yeah, here I was here. Okay, I would like to draw your attention to some of the must-have and expensive and rare features that we can package in for free based on the nature of your order. Then here is the list of these must-have features that will make your website very unique and stand out from the crowd. Most importantly, you get these advanced features for free with your order. So you remind them this is free, they're not paying for it. Number one, free explainer video with your branding in 5 different languages of your choice, free custom logo, free vacation voucher for a 5 nights stay in a luxury 5-star resort in popular destinations worldwide, free $200 voucher for a hotel or car rental valid worldwide. Number 5, a click and connect feature that enables your visitors to leave you a voice message by clicking on a button on your website, which gets delivered to your email instantly. It allows you to follow up with your clients at your convenience. Then I mentioned, please share more information regarding your requirement so we can craft a custom package for you that includes a 100% matching your requirements out of the box and enables you to stand out from the crowd. We are excited to hear from you soon. Cheers. Okay, so that is the message we sent from Liban's freelancer account. Now here is Liban. He is a freelancer with 3 years of experience on Fiverr. He's experienced in HTML, WordPress, Builderall, ClickFunnels. He has also experience in graphic design. He's very helpful and he has an awesome personality. In our last session, he confirmed that he will help you guys whenever you guys are stuck with anything. So that is so nice of him. So we thank Liban for making that commitment to help out our group. Now Liban will also land 5 more freelancer friends of him in his team, and we had a meeting with them today. We talked about more than 2 hours, and they are in. So those 5 peoples will get to know them in our next session, and these are all freelancer people, and please do ask them to help you if you come across any trouble regarding website or graphic design, or if you have any other techie question. They might know because they are already in this field. I would also like to recognize Mamoon Rashid from my left on my screen, this guy over here, who is my childhood friend. Now Mamoon is the coordinator between you guys, and he's doing a pretty good job organizing you. And after every training I do, he does session with you, and he is inspiring you. He is holding everyone together, and he's really doing a great job. I think without his help it would be very difficult for me to keep everything organized and keep everybody inspired. Okay, so I also recognize his contribution. I also recognize Adam's contribution, and I also want you guys to recognize both Rashid and Adam's contributions. Time to time Adam helped you guys, and he will be helping you in future as well. Lately he has been very, very sick, so that is why you do not hear from him that much, but he will come back soon. But although he's very busy with his task, he's not gonna be, I guess, that much involved, but still he's gonna be involved. He joined GMP because I helped him out to build his business. As you know, he was a struggling marketer, and with my help, and with the God's blessing, he's really making good money, and he is really became an expert in his field. He's way too much busy, but he joined GMP only to give me a hand, because out of respect to me, and just to say thank you to me. So that is so nice of Adam Jacob. So all of us in our group, in all our members, including me, should be thankful to Liban for making that commitment to helping us out. helping our members and Rashid to keep everything organized, everything in place, inspiring everybody, and doing all the sessions with you guys, and Adam giving us hand. Okay, so final thoughts about this session. Now, I want you guys to keep your undergarment wet, and God willing, you will get result gradually. Now, when you do send proposals, uh, you will have gradually you will know about all type of website order, all type of message template, this and that. But website is a very saturated niche. You are competing with others, but hey, you have unfair advantage because you can offer some incentives which other people cannot, and also you have copy and paste very professional message that they do not have. If you go through all the proposals different freelancers send, you'll find they're not very professional. Okay, so excuse me, the way you craft your message, that has so much to do to grab your customers attention. Okay, and also incentives, not to mention the incentives, you should be able to close some deals, but you have to be consistent in your game. You have to keep doing it. Do not care if you do not get any order. Just keep doing it. Do not focus on closing. You should be closing. There will be a time you should be closing, because these people who offers jobs, they will go through every single proposal that hits their inbox, and they will pick one. So time will come when they will pick you. Okay, all right. Now, by the blessings of Almighty, excuse me, by the blessings of the Almighty, things could be faster as we take action. So things could happen faster. Yes, it can, if you really do take action, if you're aggressive in your marketing and learning everything. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. Keep extracting similar jobs and just keep sending them proposals. Okay, similar jobs, the jobs we extracted and we'll be extracting. Extract those and just copy and paste, keep sending proposals. And when you have to send links to websites, go to your Buildroll account and check out some stunning design, share the link. And it is a gradual process to success. So if you really expect that, okay, you gonna send 2 proposal and you're gonna get result, if you think that way, you will get upset if you do not get any result, and that will drain down your energy. That will drain out your energy. Okay, so do not do that. Okay, you have to be consistent, and you have to believe in yourself, but at the same time you have to believe in yourself, educate yourself that it is a gradual process. God willing, the success will come to you if you're consistent. It can come tomorrow, it can come next week, it can come next month. It depends on your actions. Okay, so what I want you to do, keep extracting jobs on your own. If you do not have a freelancer account, extract from Craigslist. On Craigslist you do not need an account, but either Liban or someone from his team or Adam, I'll ask them to post a video how you create your freelancer account. Okay, and please try to learn from Adam and Liban, because they made the commitment to help you guys via Messenger. So please do use their resources, but please do not abuse them. Just do not bug them for anything that comes in your mind. Okay, if you are stuck, just ask them. And we'll keep doing our live calls every Sunday, and following that, you guys also keep doing your live calls. Okay, in the session you talk about what did you learn from my training, and now on what you're gonna do, where are you at. Okay, Now I see the future is very, very bright by the blessing of God. You just needs to assemble the puzzles together. So when you are in digital marketing, you are really playing a game with the puzzles. So it's all about getting all the puzzles organized, all the puzzles, bring them together in a proper way so it can display the real image that was deconstructed. Okay, so it's a puzzle, and you have to get the connect the pieces together. So all it needs your continuous effort, your consistency, and that is the key to your success. Okay, and you have to have patience. You have to go through the training. You have to have patience because you are playing a puzzle. If you lose your patience, then you will not come out a victor. So as I mentioned, it's a gradual process, and it may not be true for Liban because he has experience. Okay, but Liban has some more experience than you in because he is a website geek on Fiverr. But hey, when it comes to GMP, he's as new as you are. Okay, so what did I do? The full recording of the session, you are supposed to watch that. When you watch my full recording of that session that we ran last Sunday, you are supposed to watch it again. Okay, because there are so much tips that will educate you, give you so much information that you can utilize, you can leverage to close your clients. So this is the YouTube link, and this is the link from our server, from our remote computer server, and this is the YouTube video link. Click on them. Either you watch the YouTube video or from our server. Okay, so we'll be meeting next Sunday. We'll be doing more actions, and let's see if we can close some deals. And I want to tell you that I love you guys, and I'll be I'll be there for you every step of your way. I work hard, and I'll be working harder and harder, until you guys are succeeded, until you guys succeed. And I want to say that may God help us all to succeed within the shortest time possible, so we can live the life that we dream of and assist our family, our friends, our community, regardless of race, religion, or social status. Have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you for listening to me. We talk soon.